All right, it's on.
Cool. Ready for this?
Yep.
You excited? Are you looking? Alright. So what I'm thinking we should do is, since we should just, I don't think we should, well, I don't know.
Just go around.
Just go around, just flank it?
Yeah.
Well, because we got flag right there. I believe
We'll go in the ditch and we just go around.
Yeah, the farthest one's in our spawn. So.
Kita! Jatuh ke pit ya.
Let's go right now. Get ready for start right now. Need help?
Alright, Joey's climbing up. Come on.
Huh?
Joey's climbing. You ready?
Come.
Whatever.
Go. Get that flag first.
Hey, fun. We'll do right here. Get down.
Alright. Saying too much.
Watch yourself. Watch out. Get down. Hey, I was like moving up. Yeah. Hey, go! 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 Going across.
There we go.
Guard that last flag, guys! Hit. Right there. There's another guy here. Ready? I'll come here. Ready?
I'm about going now. Oh.
Are they all back in this one?
Hit!
Where we at?
Get the flag, the last flag!
Okay. Oh, God. Alright, come on.
You ready?
Yeah. Go around.
Get your gun up, ready to fight. Cover that part. Hey! Who's that? Right here. Duck. You ready?
Wait. Ready?
Yeah, let's move. Attack! Attack! Watch out, go, go. Get a foot. Get out the way, buddy.
Oh.
Behind that thing.
Got you, bro?
Ooh.
Hey, right here in the corner!
Go, 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 go. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna go around.
Let's get in the back.
Okay, let's go.
Oh.
Hit. Wait, what? That was a team. Pink team and yellow team.
I thought he was on our fishing team.
I know, he had the pink flag.
And then he pointed at me, I'm like, bang, bang, you shot me straight. I was like, dude, come on.
Freaking idiot.
I know, stupid. Oh, back.
Where's the flag? I don't know.
I'm gonna go around. My gosh. Keep on dragging on me. Crap. God. No.
Alright, I'm gonna rush it.
I need air. Not air. Propane. I need a propane tank. Oh shoot. Alright.
Hey, Gabe, Gabe.
You guys got ammo?
Oh shoot.
Which side, let's go. There's a flag right there.
Crap.
There's a flag
Oh,
right there
so.
now, the Russian flag.
Alright. What? Alright. What? It's alright, leave it. Come on. Dad said go back. I thought he said go back to the side.
Tom.
He said switch sides, come on. Oh, God. Got shot in the neck.
Uh-huh.
Said I got shot in the neck.
You did?
Yeah. The guy on the side with the one with the
Should get
pistol.
I think they're called balaclavas or something like that. You just wrap it around your neck, and it absorbs the heat, and it somewhat protects you from bees.
Mhm.
I think I ripped my pants, dude.
Let's go, switch sides.
She was like, I'm gonna go look for her so I can
Yellow
apologize.
team. Yellow team.
Yellow team! Switch sides!
Hey man.
Hey!
I know, Joe.
Yeah, yellow.
I know, yeah, switch sides.
Are you playing good? You wanna get in the boat?
Yeah.
Huh?
You wanna get in the boat?
No.
No, not that one. The two-story one. Wait, this one. Watch, right? And that one. Oh, you can't see it from here. Hold on.
Oh,
Get in.
Switch sides.
That one right there.
sure.
That boat, the tall one. We should go in there. Well, do you
Sure.
want to?
I don't know. Doesn't matter though.
I shot her in the neck. I surrendered her too and she went full auto for like 5 feet away, huh? Oh, fuck. I ain't going.
That girl has that thing on her head?
Yeah.
I said surrender, she spun around with one hand and
Yeah, full
right
she's all
there,
full,
right there.
I'm dumb.
I don't want
Oh god.
to see you. Bang, bang.
What
She
is
just
bang?
shot it.
Oh no, surrender then, surrender.
There's a
I
one
said
dude with
shoot her.
pink tags. I was trying to shoot at him.
I know.
Yeah, he's like bang bang, and I'm like, are you on my team? And then he ended up shooting me in the shoulder. He was wearing pink tags though, so
I
I was
know. So he's probably.
like, crap, dude.
Shot me in the freaking head, dude.
Oh no, he shot me in the neck.
Oof.
How you gonna have a girl ready and all the guys ain't even ready?
Oh,
I've never got shot in the neck. Now that I say that, it's probably gonna happen. What?
this stuff.
It's gonna be the one game I get shot in the neck.
This stuff hurts. Neck.
And she was like that, she had no ball. Like, oh. I tried to sneak up on her. She's like, I see your shadow. I was like, oh, fuck.
I was thinking about shooting her before saying surrender.
The guy over there, he's been bumping his head every time.